How to fix Roblox Error Code 268? You have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior. First step, restart Roblox completely. Close Roblox, open Task Manager, end the process of Roblox if running. Scroll down and search for Roblox. Click it and click End the task. Next step, open this PC. Make sure your C drive have enough memory space. Right click, click Properties, click Tools, click Check and scan the drive. Wait for some time to completely scan. Once the scanning complete after, click OK. Search for run and type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it. Click local storage folder. Delete the files inside the local storage. Come back. Click log folder. Delete the files and folders inside the log folder. Close it. Next step. Search for CMD. Right click. Click run as administrator. And type the following text. SFC space slash scan now. Click enter. And wait for some time. The verification is ongoing. Once the verification is complete after, exit it and move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down and search for Roblox. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application is of not having means click allow another app, click browse, go to C drive, program files. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it. Click application. Click add in the bottom side. I already have so I skip it. You need to click add. Enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. The last and final step, click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and click reset now. Thank you.